A guy comes into a shop yesterday wanting me to remove his old washing machine. Now, all I know is it's a Zanussi, and he bought it back in 1991. So it makes it 33 years old. Let's go and pick this bad boy up and see if it still works. Now, he doesn't want me to film in his house, so all I'm gonna do is go in there, pick it up and chuck it in the van. So let's go and pick this bad boy up. So here we go, a Zanussi washing machine, dated the 12th of March 1991. It's a 1000 spin, 5 kilograms. Take a look at it. Look at it. Let's get this back to the shop, plumb it in, and let's see if it works. It was bothering me to find out how much this bad boy was back in 1991. So I quickly looked through the original manual and I came across the original receipt of payment. So put your comments down below and let me know how much you think a 5 kilogram Zanussi washing machine was back in 1991. Let's see if this works. I'm just going to connect it all up. 33 years old, remember? Before turning it on, let's take a look at this together. So this is what you get for 33 years old. Boil wash, I like that. This is because this washing machine is connected to hot and cold. Nowadays, it's just cold and the machine heats it up itself. So boil wash, I like that. You very rarely see that anymore, if not ever. How do we open this? Okay. So Zanussi's soap drawers still look very similar to that, even now. This little bit that you slide down, that's a child lock. So now you can't turn it on. Mate, this is so basic. On and off. The old analog, no digital. And the door, let's open that up. Inside, it's only a small 5 kilogram drum. There's the model number and everything. You still got your filter down the bottom here. Anyway, moment of truth. Let's turn this on. Don't even know how to. There you go. Red light. So let's go for... Oh, something's happening. I think it's pumping out. Either way, what we want to do is do a wash. So let's do a mixed fabrics, an F. The other thing is this red light, letting you know that the door is locked. There you go, water's going in, it's holding. Let's see if this spins. Come on. 33 years old. I can't get over how small this door is. It's so funny. So while the water's going in, here's the manual. There's the date when the guy bought it. You know what, they don't even make manuals like this anymore. It's funny. It's so basic. Right, let's see. Spin. There we go. It's spinning. A 33-year-old machine. How about that? They don't make them like they used to. This washing machine might be a bit of nostalgia for someone, but there's no way that I'm going to be keeping it. There's no way that I'm going to be selling it. It's literally just going to be recycled. It is good to know that a 33-year-old machine is still working. So this was £370. 375 quid for that. I guess back then it was amazing. But now we look at it and just weren't even going to give 50 quid for it. Not even 20. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.